Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Trevor Williams coming to you from our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Leopoldshöhe, Germany. Today we will demonstrate to you the Dyma Box 3.0. What does the Box 3.0 do for you? This machine is designed as a clamping system for both drawer boxes as well as door fronts. Now I'm going to show you the functionality of the machine. This pneumatic lock allows you to move the x-axis of the machine in order to set up the size for your workpiece. In addition, you can change the height by moving the clamp using the stop position and the size indication on the sides. The machine uses a dual hand system that needs you to both move the clamps and push the button in order to get movement from the machine. This particular machine is equipped with a kit door, which allows the clamps to apply pressure to the front of the door to ensure that the mitre joint is 100% closed. We will now do some demonstrations of both frames as well as drawer boxes. I will now demonstrate the drawer. Place the drawer inside the machine. Notice that there is a recess here, cut out for the extra length of the drawer front. I will position the machine so that using the zero line on the right hand side, we have about ½ inch travel. These clamps from the top are movable and can be set into position using the scale on the side. Once the entire machine is set up, then using this double action, you can close from the one side and then the top, releasing by pressing the button and lifting them. Alternatively, if you push the button, you can bring the pressure to bear, which is 800 kilograms from both sides. The drawer is then left in place until such time as the glue is adhered or the press fit is attained. I will now demonstrate a frame door using the kit front system. First of all, we put the door in place. Then using the two-hand system, we can clamp the door down and then clamp the front of the door to ensure the best possible joint. What are the advantages of the press? High flexibility due to variable adjustable clamping force on different workpieces. Minimum setup time, allowing high output, easy to operate, high safety standards due to a two-hand operation, plug and play with only air requirements for the machine. That was it. Thank you for your time. Please contact us via email or telephone number displayed below, or like us on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.